And people keep asking me, another person who asked me if I want to have fucking kids, I'm telling you, I'm going to disrespect you. Like for real. I'm not having no kids in this fucking world. Not right now. It's fucking ghetto. It's ghetto, it's ghetto, it's ghetto. If my money didn't save me from still seeing all this ghetto, facing all this ghetto sick shit, I'm not bringing a kid into this world. It's not fair. It's not fair. And if you already have a kid into this world, protect that shit. Protect it with all your life. Like with all your life, yo. Protect your kid with all your life. Because right now, you can't even raise your own kids. You can't even raise your own kids. You can't even raise your own kids. They go to school. The school tell them what to do. The school turn them against you. The kids in the school, some of them is fucking rude. They're disrespectful. They don't have no manners. They don't respect their elders. They don't respect no fucking body. It's like a bunch of just sick, crazy. It's no structure. It's no structure. No structure. Right now, we don't have no structure. When I was 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, even when I was 16, 17, I was scared to disrespect older people. I was scared to disrespect my elders. I was scared to talk back to my elders. These kids is telling you, fuck you, suck my dick, bitch. Get your fucking mom. I'll fuck you up and your mother. Like, my friend went to school the other day because her daughter got into a fight. And them little girls want to fight the mother. It ain't no structure out here. Nobody can... If y'all tell me to have a kid right now, I'm going to go to jail. Facts. I'm telling you right now. If I have a kid right now, in this society we live in, this crazy fucking world we live in, I'm going to jail. Like, I'm telling you that right now. Because I can't deal with it. I can't deal with no kid telling me, suck my dick, fuck out of here, bitch. Like, whoa. And I can't school my kid. I can't inform my kid. I can't give my kid discipline. I can't give my kid structure. Because when my kid leave my house, the school is raising him or her. I'm good. I'm good. I'm not bringing nothing else into this world right now as we speak. Unless this should make a whole 360, it's not happening. I'm already here. It's already ghetto. At least I could deal with the ghetto shit by myself. Not bringing a kid to come deal with the ghetto shit too. Now I gotta deal with the ghetto shit, then protect somebody else from the ghetto shit. That shit is training. It's definitely not like that in Jamaica. It is definitely not like that in Jamaica. It's definitely not like that in Jamaica. But don't get it twisted. Remember, Jamaica, we have the TVs. We have now the internet. We have the TikTok now. Even us as Jamaican kids, we're now being exposed to it too. Because you turn on the TV, you go and share with me, you see this little girl just slap the shit out of her mom. You're like, bumbo clot. Yeah, look at girl just slap up her mother, my youth. If my mother talk to me one more time, I'll box her down too. You start like, you see it, and when you see it's like one bad apple could ruin all the apples. So them Jamaican kids is down there now like, oh, if my mother lick me, I could call the police. Yeah, because I watch the little girl on TikTok, you know. You see the little girl on TikTok, my youth? Her mother can't even talk to her. This little girl on TikTok, her mother can't talk to her. Her mother talk to her, she boxed down her mother. Now they watching that. Or they go on Instagram. And they be like, yo, you see the Instagram video, the man shot him mother box. What do you about she come bother part more to him? You understand? So even the good kids, them with it there, even the kids them with their Jamaica, them probably start for talk back to them parents because them exposed to it now. Them see it on TV, them see it on TikTok. Them see it on TikTok. The only difference in Jamaica, like self-motivated 23 just said, Jamaica now have the same law. So Jamaica now, your mother beat you and box you up and kick you down. And you call the police might come and just look and say, Mommy, finish him. Or finish her. Girl now have no manners. So that's the only difference. Jamaican people not play but manners and respect. The whole family I beat you. But my dad Jamaica I get trouble. The first punishment start with my grandmother. My grandmother got beat me first. The first punishment start with my grandmother. Then after my grandmother beat me, my auntie come and she visit and she come give me a little beating too because she still vexed for me though. After my auntie beat me, my uncle might come and give me a little box up or two because him can't understand why I do that. And this could be even days later. The family's still talking about what you did Friday when you're there at school. So now everybody come up and I hear the story. They must say, that girl I think she a big woman. She thinks she a big woman. She a smell like a little dirty self from what there. So now the grandmother beat you Thursday. The auntie come and beat you Friday. The uncle come Saturday just to visit and they might get a little box or two. You understand? Your cousin now, the cousin here, your bigger cousin here, you don't know. Cousin give a little ears ring. Probably pinch you up and look at them and ring off your little ears. And nobody now deal with you. Nobody now deal with you. That's the difference. With Jamaica. Foreign now, America, your mother beat you. Oh, and then you call your friend. Jamaica, you call your friend and you tell your friend what happened. And your friend will look upon you like, but why you do that? But what make you do that? That not sound good. That not sound good, none at all. What make you do that? So you say, Bomba, nobody not there on my side? No, nobody not there on your side. Nobody not talk to you. Everybody look upon you like a little dirtiness. You understand? America now? Your mother beat you. You call your auntie. Your auntie vex with the mother. The auntie start cuss out the mother. You call your friend tells you, you gotta call the cops on that bitch. That bitch is crazy, girl. Girl, I wish my mother would. Bitch, I wish a bitch would. No, your head gas no. No, you're like, hold on there. So just me alone, I go through this. Yeah. Then you call your next friend. Bitch, you gotta call the police, girl. You gotta call the cops. She put her hands on you. Who the fuck she think she is? That's the difference now. So guess what now? America now you have more privilege. You have more people where you know, are done with a little madness. Where I tell you, say, yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Jamaica, when you're right, they might say, yo, you can't disrespect your mother, you know. When you're right, they might say, you know, so you can't disrespect your grandmother. Yo, you can't do that. You can't rude to your grandmother. You can't cuss back your grandmother. When you're right, you look on everybody like, so not hear what them, not see what them do to me. Everybody look on you like, yeah, I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying, my cousin, but you can't disrespect your grandmother, my youth. You can't disrespect your grandmother, cousin. America, they might tell you, say, girl, you gotta go get some mental health because, you know, she ruined your mental health. And I know I take mental health serious. They might tell you, you have to get mental health. They ruin your mental health. They might tell you, you need to go call your therapist. Fuck around, your mother might go to jail. Shit, if I was in America when my mother first started schooling me, my mother would have been locked up. My mother would have got jail a long time. My auntie who used to give me the golden shower bath. Golden shower bath. Those baths, she don't hit you until your skin get wet. If my aunt, rest in peace to my aunt, if she was in America, she would have been in jail. She probably would have been on the news too. She definitely would have been on the news. You understand? No, don't laugh. She definitely would have dead in somebody's jail cell with her hand behind her back somewhere. So, for all the beating what she used to give me, for just a simple little thing, she was abusive. You understand? But I couldn't tell nobody, so, oh, my mental health. I'm a mental health, you know? My mental health. You tell them, oh, your mental health in Jamaica, they're look on you like, say, yo, I'm going to tell you something right now. I don't have no time for them things, you know? And so I say, I'm money me a pre right now, you tell me about your mental health because your mother just box you up 2 times. My grandmother will be on death row. Yo. Abby, and that's a fact. Carlita, that's a fact. Not true. May I tell you, so the next person would tell me, say, oh, so you have a kid? I'm going to tell you which part of your mother you have to go up far underneath. I'm not going to care. I'm going to tell you which part of your mother for go up far underneath. Yeah. Because if my pump my bother you so bad, if my pump my bother you so bad, or you just want to see something come out tight, Breeze, big up yourself. Or you just want to see something come out tight, then me going to know. Me not have no pitney right now. Right now. In a them time, yeah. Things have to change. See, 2020, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027. 2027. May I call 2024, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 2030. Maybe 2030. And if you know, y'all know I was gonna have a kid in like 2 years. Maybe 2030, maybe 2028 or something like that. Things might change, I don't know. But right now, no, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Nah, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Only time I can tell it, honestly, Popsy, it's scary out here. It is, Chi. It is. Yeah, it is very scary. It's very scary out here. The had, or that even themselves had, they are billionaires. They will have the best, and they have the best doctors, and the best this and the best that, but when it's time, and your money can't fix time. When it's time for you to go down 6 feet under, and everybody throw dirt on you, and throw the ashes and all that shit, your money can't fix that. When you go into a sickness, your health, you could get the best doctors. When it's your time, your money also can't fix that. Your money can't fix the decisions that your family make, the decisions that your siblings make, things that people do based on what they choose to do. Your money can't fix that. So I used to say I will have a kid when I make money, when I have money, when I'm good in life. Now I'm good in life. The shit that the world that happens is just, I don't think it's healthy for anyone. I don't think it's healthy for none of us. And whether you believe it or not, you have billionaires that are having these same conversations. Because if you're a person that's knowledgeable,